everyone, I'm Kate Schwenke and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed that first part of the video where I showed the medium Anna on the body. This is an adorable little bag and it's actually not so little. It can hold a ton and I cannot wait to show you guys how I have it packed up. I want to say a special thank you to Lily Jade for lending me this bag for this video so that I could share it with you guys before the release of this particular style. If you guys would like to see a comparison video of the medium Anna versus the large Anna, I will link it right up here for you guys and you can go check that out after you're done watching this video. So in this video, I'm going to go over how this bag packs up, as well as just a review and overall look at the bag so you guys can see all the features, compartments, and things like that. I have this bag packed for myself and my 18-month-old. So this bag is actually a 2-in-1 bag. You have 2 different compartments that you can keep your things in. So you have the front compartment here, as well as on the very back of the bag here, you have a whole nother compartment on the back. And as you guys saw in the very beginning of this video, this bag is convertible, so you have your backpack straps here, and you can detach them from the bottom here, and you can store them in the back magnetic pocket here when you are done with the straps, if you would like to use this as a messenger style bag or over the shoulder using the messenger strap that comes with it. You may be asking yourself why you would ever want to wear a backpack bag as a crossbody bag, but I'm telling you, this particular style is absolutely adorable crossbody and I love it, and it's comfortable. This bag also features a really nice tall grab handle up here, so you can just grab and go. You don't have to look for the handle or anything. It has a great bit of height to it, so it's just easy to grab and take it and go. You have your D-rings on each side of the bag here, and they're nice and strong and well attached to the side of the bag. You also have 2 really good sized pockets on the sides here. As you guys can see on this side, I have a good sized swell bottle in this pocket and it fits no problem. This particular bag is about 13 inches tall, 11 inches wide, and 7.5 inches deep. So you have a lot of space in this bag. On the front here, as I mentioned before, this is compartment number 1. You have 2 double zipper pulls that come halfway down the bag on each side. And you also have a zipper pocket in the front here that does not have any internal organization, but it is a great pocket to store your keys, your phone, and things like that. And as I mentioned before, on the back of the bag, you just have compartment number 2 and that magnetic snap pocket on the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump on to the packing portion of this video because I can't wait to show you guys how I have it packed. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the side pockets first. On this side here, I have the messenger strap that comes with this bag. It is really nice and thick and long and super adjustable. So you can wear this over the shoulder and crossbody if you want to. I really like to keep straps that come with the Lily Jade bags in my bag just in case I decide to wear it a different way. It's always good to have options because you never know. So I have the strap in that pocket there. Also in this pocket here, I have some hand sanitizer and a KingaCare squeezy bottle. I absolutely love these. They are amazing. I love them so much. So I have that there. That is all I had in that pocket. On the other side, as I mentioned, I have my swell bottle. This is a Traveler bottle, and this is a 16-ounce bottle, and this fits perfectly in here without a problem, and I even have extra room. If this helps you see how much space is actually in this pocket, you could probably fit 2 skinny baby bottles in this pocket, or you could fit 1 larger baby bottle in this pocket. So that's a good size bottle. That's all I had in that pocket there. So let's go ahead and go through the front of the bag here, and I'll do a little zoom in so you guys can see better. I also wanted to mention this absolutely adorable little tassel that Lily Jade put on the Anna. It is so cute. Normally, Lily Jade has big, long tassels that they put on their bags, but I really love that they have added this detail and made it a little shorter. Just adds a little bit of extra charm to the bag, and I love it. I think it's so cute. So in the very front pocket here, I just have my iPhone 8 Plus, and I have it standing straight up and down in this pocket. That is how deep that pocket is. If this phone was a millimeter taller, it probably would not have fit, but it is a perfect fit up and down in there. Next to that, down in the front here, I have my keys, just kind of loose down in there, but it is a perfect fit down there next to my phone. And that's all I had in the very front pocket. Now let's jump to the inside because I'm so excited to show you guys what's in there. So let's go ahead and get into the first bag of the Anna. So this is how I have it packed up in there. You have this front area here you can just fold down so you can see a lot better of what you have on the inside. On the very top here, I have a small set piece by Jujube. In here, I just have some things for myself. I have a lipstick, some powder, a lip gloss down there, And I also have some eyeshadow. That's it. The rest of the things in the front here are pretty much for the baby. I really don't carry all that much with me for myself when I go out. So in the very middle area here, I have 2 books. I have The Creation Story, which is a great book. I love it. And I also have this Touchy and Feel book. That's all I had on that side. On this side, I have a nursing cover. I am done nursing, but I did want to show you guys that this fits in there great if you are a nursing mom. And this is a Baby Olay nursing scarf, and these are amazing, and I will definitely link everything that's in this video down below for you guys so you can go check that out for yourselves. So that's all I had in the main compartment. Hopefully you guys can see how much space is down there. There's about 2.5 to 3 inches of space at the very bottom of the bag there. Now in the very back here you have 1 zipper compartment, and in here I just have a couple of teething toys for the baby. So I have this little giraffe guy, and I also have a Finn and Emma wooden teether, and we love these. These also hook on a stroller, so those are awesome. That's all I had down in there. In the very back pocket here, because you do have 2 slip pockets, so in the very back pocket, this is actually where I have my wallet, and this is a Kate Spade Cara wallet. In front of that, I have a Y Pouch Mini in the Donatella print, and I think that looks so cute with this bag. If you don't know what Y Pouch are, they're wipes cases, and I love them. So that is your internal organization on this bag. You have the back zipper, the 2 slip pockets, and then the rest is empty space. But you have tons of room in this front bag. And don't forget, you still have 1 more whole entire bag on the very back of the bag. So let's go check that out. So let's move on to bag number 2 on the back of the medium Anna. And I love the way the back of the bag packs up because there's nothing really in there as far as organization goes, so you're free to do whatever you want, whether you want to use pouches, packing cases, whatever you want to put in here. It has a lot of space, so these zippers go all the way down, so it kind of folds open like a suitcase. So the best way to show you guys this is probably to lay it down on its front. So I decided to go ahead and fold this bag forward. I did want you guys to see at the beginning how I had it packed standing up, but the best way for me to show you guys in this video how I have this packed up is to have it laying down, because as I mentioned, this bag does kind of open like a suitcase on the very back so that you have maximum access to the back of the bag. Also, while I'm down here, I wanted to show you guys these awesome feet on the bottom of the Anna. These allow your bag to stay just a little cleaner on the bottom and just keeps the life of the bottom of the bag better for longer. So I really love that they added on feet to this particular style. So let's go ahead and open this up. Hopefully you guys can see this okay. But in the very front here, you have a slip pocket here. It's not padded, but the very back of the bag is nice and squishy, so that's extra soft against your back. But in this pocket here, I decided to put a change pad, but you could definitely put in an extra small laptop, an iPad, and things like that. So in here, I just have my C'est Petite Vienna change pad. Now let's move on to this part. So in here, I have all of my baby's changing needs. So I have diapers and wipes, and I have a change of clothes here. So this is the whole area that I have in the back of the bag is basically packed for changing a baby. So I love that I have everything that I need for that in a completely different compartment. So on the very top here, I have a Jujubee large set piece here. And in here, I just have a change of clothes. I have a little Baby Olay bib. I have a shirt, some socks, and a pair of pants down there all rolled up. Underneath that, I have a Jujubee Be Quick here. And in here, I just have diapering necessities. I have a Baby Olay wet bag just in case there's a poopy mess or something that needs to be contained. And then I also have some wet wipes in a Donatella Y Pouch. And I also have 3 diapers. These are all size 5. And then I have a baggie dispenser here. So this is pretty much just grab and go, take it to the bathroom with the baby and be done with it. So I love that I have a separate bag just for all that, and I love having that second compartment to put all of these things in. So that is my review for the Anna, you guys. But now you can see all of the space that you actually have in the back here. You have about 2.5 to 3 inches in here as well for space. So I really, really love how much you can fit in this bag. It's amazing for the size. So I'm really excited about this for Lily Jade. I think this is an awesome addition to their lifestyle bag. And I think it functions amazing as a diaper bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this review and found it helpful if you are thinking about getting the medium Anna. It is adorable, I highly recommend it, super cute, and perfect for your Lily Jade collection. If you loved this video, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe while you're here if you're new. Thanks for watching!